Focus Plant, it helps you to beat phone addiction, improves productivity, self-control and concentration on study or work. It's depend as per your choice. By starting your focus session, you can save the barren land by turning your focus time into raindrops and growing adorable plants. You can put your timer as per your choice, as many of the time I use a timer of 20, 25 or 1 or 2 hours. So I make sure that I am completing my work within that time span. As per my daily tracking, now I am collecting 2000 raindrops per day, which helps me to grow my plant. By the help of this application, now I can easily track my daily productivity. As you can see on screen, I have put a timer of 1 hour. That's just an example how you can put a timer of hours or minutes. Now this is my land. Yes, I have 3 islands. On screen you can see there are 2 plants which have already reached their higher level. Yes, you have to just tap them and you can provide or you can feed them the raindrops. Now I have my onion and broccoli. You have to just tap and hold so that you can feed your tree or your plant, which will convert into a tree. That's it for this application. Let's move toward the second application, Focus To Do. This is a similar application, but it has some professional icons. Focus To Do is like a task manager. This app is specially made to motivate you and stay focused and get things done on time. You get to-do list option in this app. This app is multifunctional. You can manage your tasks, set reminders, add list, calendars, calendar events, grocery list, etc. Also, you can track your work over here. It's same as like daily activity tracker. You can write your own things or you can create your own tasks. You have given a choice of colors which you can put, for example, important things can be highlighted. That's it for this application. Now let's move towards our next application. Presently. Presently is my own favorite application. I just love this application because of the themes. Yes, and the features too. Presently is a great application for journaling. You can maintain your daily records in that. For example, you can write down some important points, list, tasks which need to be done. Or you can just write down your daily diary into this application. This application provides you a best eye care system as well. They have some very nice themes. You can also take backup of your daily data over here. You can put your fingerprint unlock for this application. This application, as I said, have many themes. You can just choose the background as per your choice. They have provided many features in such a small MB version. This is a wonderful application with wonderful themes. That's it for this application. Let's move towards our next self-care application. Yeah, My Water. It's important application for me at least. Yes guys, drinking water on time is the most important task. This application provides you many features. You can just add what kind of liquid you have intake right now. You have to add, for example, tea, water, coffee, and the amount you have intake. You can just add your gender, weight, and they will provide you how much amount of water intake you should be done in a day. They provide you reminders. It will be as per your set time. Calm Sleep. This application provides you such good features that I have never imagined ever. They provide us sounds, stories, and meditation. In sounds, they have such soothing sounds that actually fell us asleep. Now I have already downloaded some sounds. Now it's all depend upon you which sound is soothing for you or your ears. In stories, they have expert picks, male narrators, female narrators, and kids. Each and every story is so soothing, or the voice is so soothing for your ears that you actually feel asleep. There are varieties of stories in this application. I am using a free version of this application. I have no idea that is there any paid version or not. But the application or the free version which they have provided is very nice to use. There are some stories for kids as well, and that are also so amazing. The sound of the nature, the sound of the birds are so soothing for our ears that actually we feel so calm and our mind feels so nice that we actually go to sleep well. Meditation. They have some kits. I wanted to tell you that in meditation they have some timers as well. For example, 5 minutes guide, 10 minutes guide, 30 minutes guide, or 15 minutes guide. Yes, in this they provide you some guides that if you listen and if your mind gets that soothing or calming effect, then you will actually feel that you should get a sleep well. Right now I am using this application and I am just loving it. This application provides us such big and huge, fantastic, fabulous features that I have never used before. You can put alarm for waking up. You can put a timer when you have to go to bed. That's it for this application. I hope my 5 applications will help you to self-care of yourself. Bye.